Welcome to Braintainment, your hub for insightful, scientifically backed content that stimulates not only your mind but also promotes a healthy lifestyle. Our purpose is simple: to offer accessible, informative and engaging content on a broad spectrum of topics, with a special emphasis on health and wellness. From decoding complex scientific concepts to sharing practical lifestyle tips, we're here to ensure you stay informed and healthy. In today's video, we dive into the fascinating world of diet and longevity. So sit back, relax, and get ready for a brainy treat. Now, have you ever wondered about the secret to a long life? It turns out what's on your plate might be a key factor. In the pursuit of longevity, science suggests that our dietary choices play a crucial role. The correlation between diet and lifespan isn't a new notion. Rather, it's a fact backed by numerous scientific studies and research. Consider the iconic Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains and lean proteins. This diet, popular in countries like Italy and Greece, is associated with a significant reduction in heart disease risk. In fact, a study in the New England Journal of Medicine revealed that those adhering to a Mediterranean diet had a 30% lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Moving eastwards, the traditional Japanese diet, known for its high consumption of fish, soy and seaweed and low levels of processed food, has also been linked to longevity. Japan boasts the highest number of centenarians per capita, and their diet could be a contributing factor. A study published in the British Medical Journal found that those following the Japanese dietary guidelines had a 15% lower mortality rate. Closer home, the Seventh-day Adventists in Loma Linda, California, known for their plant-focused diet, have one of the highest life expectancies in the United States. Their diet, rich in whole grains, nuts and legumes, is associated with lower risks of many chronic diseases, including heart disease and diabetes. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about how much. Caloric restriction, the practice of reducing average daily caloric intake without depriving essential nutrients, has shown promising results in extending lifespan in numerous studies. It is important to note that while these diets vary in their components, they share common characteristics: high in fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and low in processed foods. They're not just diets, but rather lifestyle choices, promoting not just longevity, but a healthier, more vibrant life. Indeed, what we eat can significantly impact how long we live, but what specific foods can help us live longer? Certain foods have been shown to increase lifespan thanks to their rich nutrient profiles and health-boosting properties. Let's dive into some of these longevity-promoting foods and explore the science behind how they can help extend our lives. First, let's talk about leafy greens. Foods like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins and minerals such as vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health. They also contain high amounts of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps our hearts healthy. Next, we have berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it. These tiny fruits are nutritional powerhouses. They are rich in antioxidants, which protect our cells from harmful free radicals. Berries are also high in fiber and vitamin C, both of which contribute to a healthy immune system and can help prevent chronic diseases. Whole grains are another food group linked with longevity. Foods like brown rice, oatmeal, and whole wheat bread are rich in fiber, which helps to lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. They also contain B vitamins, which are essential for energy production and brain health. Now, let's not forget about fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are all excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are known for their heart protective properties and their role in brain health. Regular consumption of fatty fish can reduce inflammation in the body and improve cognitive function. Nuts and seeds also deserve a mention. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are all rich in healthy fats and fiber. They are also packed with protein, making them an excellent choice for those looking to add more plant-based protein to their diets. Regular consumption of nuts and seeds has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. Finally, let's talk about legumes. Foods like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are high in fiber and protein, and they're also an excellent source of iron. Regular consumption of legumes has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease and diabetes. These foods all have one thing in common: they are nutrient-dense, meaning they provide a lot of beneficial nutrients for relatively few calories. By including a variety of these foods in our diets, we can ensure we're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients which can help promote health and longevity. But let's not forget, while these foods are fantastic for our health, it's important to remember that balance is key. No single food can provide all the nutrients we need for optimal health, and it's the overall pattern of our diet that matters most. Incorporating these foods into your diet could be a delicious way to add years to your life, but remember, balance is key. While these foods can contribute to a longer life, it's important to remember that no single food can work miracles on its own. Just as a single note cannot create a symphony, a single food cannot create a healthy, thriving body. It's the symphony of nutrients working together in a balanced diet that provides the foundation for a longer, healthier life. A balanced diet is not just about eating a variety of foods, but eating them in the right proportions. It's about balancing the different food groups: proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Each of these plays a unique role in our bodies. Proteins repair tissues, carbohydrates provide energy, fats help absorb vitamins, and vitamins and minerals support a multitude of bodily functions. It's a well-orchestrated concert of nutrients, all working together to keep us in good health. But what about those extreme diets we often hear about, the ones that promote cutting out entire food groups or eating excessive amounts of a single type of food? While these diets may promise quick results, they often lead to nutritional imbalances and can even pose serious health risks. Our bodies are complex machines, and they need a wide array of nutrients to function optimally. Starving them of certain nutrients or overloading them with others can throw them off balance and lead to health problems in the long run. That's why it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. They can guide you towards a diet that's balanced, nutritious, and suitable for your individual needs. And remember, balance also includes enjoying your food and occasionally indulging in your favorite treats. After all, food is not just fuel, it's also a source of joy and pleasure. So, while certain foods can help us live longer, a balanced diet is still the cornerstone of a long, healthy life. So there you have it, a look at how diet influences longevity and some key foods that can help you live longer. It's fascinating, isn't it? The idea that what we eat can, quite literally, add years to our lives. To quickly recap, we've delved into the realm of nutritional science, exploring the link between our dietary choices and our lifespan. We've seen how a diet rich in nutrients can bolster our health, stave off diseases, and ultimately prolong our existence. We've also highlighted some of the longevity-boosting foods, those humble, everyday items that pack a powerful nutritional punch. From the heart-healthy fats in avocados and the antioxidant-rich berries to the protein-packed lentils and the fiberful whole grains, each of these foods brings something unique to our dietary table. But remember, the key to reaping the longevity benefits of these foods is not in isolation, but in combination. It's about creating a symphony of nutrients on your plate, a balanced diet that meets all of your body's needs. It's about understanding that food is more than just fuel. It's a source of vitality, a tool for disease prevention, and yes, a pathway to a longer life. It's about embracing a holistic view of nutrition, one that acknowledges the complex interplay between our diet and our health. So what's the take-home message here? It's simple. If we want to live longer, healthier lives, we need to pay attention to what we're eating. We need to make conscious, mindful choices, selecting foods that nourish and sustain us rather than those that merely satisfy our taste buds. And most importantly, we need to remember that our diet is just one piece of the longevity puzzle. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, stress management, and a positive outlook on life are all equally important in our quest for a long, healthy life. So let's make a pact, shall we? Let's commit to making better dietary choices, to eating for longevity, and to embracing a lifestyle that supports our health and well-being. Let's take control of our diet, and in doing so, take control of our health and our future. Thank you for tuning into Brainy-tainment. If you found this information valuable, remember to hit the subscribe button for more enlightening content. Until next time, here's to living a long, healthy life.